Peculiar Productions. So today I'm making egg rolls with coleslaw. You're going to need seasoning, a little bit of vinegar, and heat your oil in a saucepan. I'm frying about 2 cups of cabbage, which is the coleslaw mixture. I'm going to season it with the nature seasoning and paprika in just a moment. I have my cabbage fully seasoning and I'm sauteing it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, when preparing the egg wash, just give it 2 minor drops of vinegar because I don't want my eggs to completely fry or scramble in the oil. This is the egg wash that I'm preparing for the wraps. Once I have that fully mixed while the cabbage is frying on medium-high heat, I'm going to prepare my egg roll wraps and wash them. You only need 1 egg for your egg roll wraps. You can season the egg to your desired taste, but for the sake of the video, I didn't season the egg. The cabbage is done. I'm going to drain it with some napkins. I'm going to put my wraps horizontally before I put my cabbage on. See, I removed a lot of the grease with napkins. Alrighty, I'm going to put the cabbage on horizontally, not overfilling the wraps because I'm going to have to fold it in an envelope shape. Now that I have my wraps filled in envelope style, I'm going to fold the wraps. This folding style is listed on the back of the wrap packaging as well. Once I have the wrap folded and rolled, I'm going to seal the wrap with the egg wash and continue to do that with the second one. Now they are fully wrapped. I'm going to cook my egg rolls in a frying pan over medium-high heat. Let the wraps fry 2 to 3 minutes. Those are the instructions on the wrapping package, but I generally let mine fry until they're fully browned. And they're done, golden brown. I like mine with sriracha sauce. I hope you all enjoy. Shalom.